Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed a Starline i96 on this Focus. So the way the system works, if someone was to try and clone this key, hop in and try and start the vehicle, it will just crank and won't start. So to start the vehicle, we have to have the customer's phone paired. It's connected to the vehicle, we've got a green circle. So what happens is ignition on, we'll hear a melody and then we can start. So ignition on, now start the vehicle, starts up. So if the phone's not in range, the vehicle won't start. So we'll just show you that again. So if we just turn the Bluetooth off to mimic the phone being out of range, Bluetooth off, turn the car off. As we can see, the app's not connected, we don't have the circle. So once again, if we put the key in, try start, the vehicle will just crank and won't start. Once again, we'll just turn the Bluetooth on. See, the vehicle's connected, this will start now. If the customer wanted to take this for a service and didn't want to give the garage their phone, all they do is simply hop into the app, press and hold on here, it will spin round till it goes yellow. Release, we get our 2 bleeps, and this is now a normal vehicle. So there's no need to give them the phone, this vehicle will start up and drive as if it was a standard car and there's nothing fitted to it. As you see, it starts up with no phone, the phone's not connected. I'll show you now. Phone's not connected, it's in service mode. When you get the vehicle back, bring your phone to the vehicle with your Bluetooth on, it will connect up and show yellow. Press and hold on here till it goes green. Get our 2 bleeps, this is now out of valet mode, so this is protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Number to us again is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.